Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, we're going to continue to build on our stabs and baby scratches. We're also going to continue working on quarter notes, eighth notes, and quarter rests. However, this time we're going to add eighth rests to the rhythms. You can find a link to the sheet music in the description below. Alright, let's get started. The tempo is at 87 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This go around, let's focus on the eighth rest. We want to make sure that we don't play on the eighth rest. Let's concentrate on being as accurate as possible. If you find yourself playing on the eighth rest, slow down the tempo. Alright? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are other timing issues that you should be aware of while working on nailing the timing of your stabs. You want to make sure that you aren't rushing or coming in late with your stabs. This time around, count the rhythm out loud a few times and try to focus on the feel of the rhythm. This should help you play in time. Alright? Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That wraps it up for this lesson. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to share it with anyone who will find the information helpful. For premium content, check out our website, scratchymadeeasy.com. And if you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.